Are you in need of cutting-edge reverse engineering services in Ram Puri, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your requirements. With their expertise in the field of engineering and their commitment to excellence, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to company for all your reverse engineering needs. Whether you need to recreate a product from scratch or analyze and improve an existing one, their team of skilled professionals will provide you with the best solutions. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies is their dedication to delivering high-quality results. They understand that reverse engineering is a complex process that requires attention to detail and meticulous planning. That's why they employ the latest technologies and methodologies to ensure accurate and precise measurements. Their team of experts will carefully analyze the object or product to gather all the necessary data, and then use advanced software to create detailed 3D models. With Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, you can expect nothing but excellence. Their team of experienced engineers and technicians are well-versed in the latest industry trends and techniques. They have the knowledge and skills to handle even the most challenging reverse engineering projects. Whether you need their services for product development, quality control, or design improvement, they will deliver exceptional results that meet your specifications. Located in Ram Puri, Delhi NCR, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is conveniently situated to serve clients from all over the region. Their state-of-the-art facility is equipped with advanced equipment and tools that enable them to provide top-notch reverse engineering services. They have a strong commitment to customer satisfaction and strive to exceed expectations with every project they undertake. Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Ram Puri, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your needs. With their expertise and dedication, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has become a leading name in the field of reverse engineering. They offer a wide range of services that cater to various industries and sectors. From creating 3D models to analyzing and modifying existing designs, they have got you covered. When it comes to reverse engineering, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the go-to choice in Ram Puri, Delhi NCR. Their team of highly skilled professionals is equipped with the latest technology and tools to deliver exceptional results. Whether you need to replicate a product or improve upon an existing design, they have the knowledge and expertise to make it happen. With their attention to detail and commitment to quality, you can trust Scon Design India Pvt Ltd to provide accurate and precise reverse engineering services. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for your reverse engineering needs is their comprehensive approach. They understand that every project is unique and requires a tailored solution. That's why they work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and objectives. By combining their technical expertise with a customer-centric approach, they ensure